If you are a college student who needs help with their essay writing, or you are about to start your college journey and you anticipate that you're going to need help with your essay writing, then you are in the right place. I'm Sarah Luna, and this is what I learned in college. These tips will help you impress your professors and finally get those top grades that you know that you deserve for your writing. Not to toot my own horn or anything, or maybe I am, but one time, one of my professors wanted to feature an essay that I wrote in his class at a writing convention. Now, I didn't have a way to travel at the time, and there was some scheduling conflicts, but I thought it was really awesome, and I thought I might mention that in this video so that you know that you're getting advice from somebody who knows how to write. Whether you're working on your first paper or you're looking to sharpen your skills, these tips will set you up for success. So let's get started. Tip number 1, always start by fully understanding the assignment. In college, essay prompts can be tricky. Sometimes they have multiple parts or specific requirements. Take the time to carefully read the instructions. So many students are very quick to get started, and sometimes they miss crucial details in the instructions. So make sure you pay attention. Clarify anything that seems confusing with your professor. Making sure that you're on the right track from the get-go will save you a lot of stress and worry later on. Next up, planning is everything. Do not underestimate the power of a good outline. When I was in college and I wasn't sure what to do next when planning an essay, I would type out an outline with 1 to 2 sentences for each section just to summarize each topic. This would get my creative juices going and jumpstart more ideas. Also, break your essay down into manageable parts, like an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, for instance. Make sure that each body paragraph has a specific focus. You don't want to get carried away on anything that doesn't have the focus on your topic. So yeah, an outline helps you stay organized for sure. It ensures that your essay has a logical flow. Plus, it makes the actual writing process faster and easier, which is a big win when you're juggling multiple assignments. Because me and you both know that you are juggling multiple assignments. Now, let's talk about your thesis statement. In college essays, your thesis is your main argument, so it's very important that it's clear and concise. A strong thesis gives your essay direction, and it shows your professor that you do know what you're talking about and you have a strong understanding of your topic. You need to ensure that it directly answers the prompt and gives a hint of what's to come in your essay. Your introduction is your chance to grab your professor's attention from the get-go. Start with a hook. Something engaging, like a surprising fact, for instance. Something else that would work here would be a relevant quote, or something else that would grab your professor's attention. I know I used to start out a lot of my essays with an intriguing question. Once you use your hook, then smoothly transition into your thesis. Remember, a strong start sets the tone for the rest of your essay. In college, your professors are looking for clarity and structure. Each paragraph should start out with a topic sentence that clearly relates to your thesis. Think of it as a mini summary of what the paragraph will cover. This helps to keep your writing focused, and it ensures that your reader can follow your argument. Okay, so this one is really important. Backing up your arguments with evidence is crucial in academic writing. Use research, statistics, or quotes from credible sources to support your points. Not only does this strengthen your argument, but it also shows your professor that you did indeed do your homework. And please don't forget to cite your sources properly. Plagiarism is a serious issue in higher education these days, and you don't want to be part of the statistic. Now, one thing I want to talk about is transitions. Transitions in writing are your friend. Not enough transitions will make your essay seem monotonous and boring. Transitions help your essay flow smoothly from one point to the next. Whether you're connecting paragraphs or ideas, transition words and phrases make your writing easier to follow. Words like in contrast, moreover, or as a result help guide your reader through your essay. When you connect relevant points in this fashion, it helps your essay just seem better. I don't know what it is, but the vibe of your essay, it just seems more academic. It seems more, like you're not just a robot spouting off sentences. Without transitions, your essay will sound like, I am Sarah. I am a robot. Okay, so I am guilty of trying to submit my essay too quickly because I'll be so excited that it's finally done. But don't you do that. Once you're finished with your first draft, take a little bit before you submit it. Do not rush the process. Editing is where the magic happens. Take the time to revise for clarity, fix any grammatical errors, and tighten up your argument. If possible, let your essay sit for a day and then come back to it with fresh eyes. I know in college, every time that I did that, I would put the essay away for a day or two and then come back and be like, that doesn't sound right, I'm going to revise that. Or, hey, maybe I should add this point. It really, really helps to not do it all in one sitting. And that is the reason, my friends, why you do not procrastinate when you're writing an essay. Take it from someone with lots of procrastinating experience, navigators. You don't want to do that to yourself. Trust me. Staying on topic is key. College essays are all about focus. Make sure that every paragraph ties back to your thesis and it adds to your overall argument. Avoid going off on tangents or introducing unrelated ideas. Little mistakes like that can distract from your great ideas. Keeping your essay focused shows that you can stay on track. And finally, don't forget that practice makes perfect. Essay writing is a skill, and just like any skill, it gets better with practice. Don't be discouraged if your first few essays don't turn out exactly like you wanted. The more you write, the more confident and capable that you'll become. Look, take it from somebody who has written a ton of college essays. By the time I graduated, I was an expert at writing essays, and I received consistent A's. So keep at it, and you'll see improvements over time. Thanks for tuning in. I hope these tips help you feel more confident in tackling your college essays. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more college tips and tricks. And if you have any essay tips, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear your advice and hear some of your experiences. Good luck with your writing, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy navigating!